Anytime now. Oh, way to go, Canadian girl. Hold that cat near at hand. Pot pot slub. Hold that cat near at hand. Down on the inside. Pot pot slub. Under father outside. Lady King. Stay at home. I'm seeing Lorky, Canadian girl, and Limgren story. Hold that cat by Hapaland, followed by near at hand in second. Pot's love, racing in third by Lincoln up on the outside is Lady King. And rounding, hold that cat by Lincoln up, followed now by Pot's love. Near at hand, down on the inside, Lady King. Canadian girl on the outside, stay at home, Limgren story. As they race off on the corner. It's number 6. Hold that cat by Hapaland. Pot Slav is on the outside. Hold that cat by Hapaland. Pot Slav on the father outside is Canadian girl. Hold that cat. Stay by Alan can have. And nearing the finish line, number 6. Hold that cat. Pot Slav. 8A, Canadian girl, near at hand, stay at home mom, seeing Lorky, Limgren story, and